In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Spaceship domain to the Shopify store. First of all, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Then you need to click on Domains in the left menu and click on Connect Existing Domain in the top. So you need to paste your domain name. If you don't remember it, you can go to the Spaceship, click on All Products, then Domains, and select Domain Manager. Right here, you can copy your domain name. You can paste it right here and click on Next. And then you need to start setting your domain name. You need to add some new records into your domain. So you need to go back to the Spaceship. You need to click on your domain and you will see this right side menu right here. Click on Name Servers and DNS. And first of all, you need to switch your name servers to the default Spaceship name servers. Of course, if you have changed it in the past, so click on Change and select Spaceship name servers and click Save name server settings. And then click Yes right here. After that, we need to go back to the Shopify. So we need to add the A record and the same name record into our domain. So let's go back to the Spaceship, click on Advanced DNS right here. And we need to click on Add Record. And first of all, let's add a record. So in the host, we need to write add. In the value, we need to copy this IP address and paste it right here. And we can leave it TTL as default. So let's click add. Now we need to add the CNAME record. So let's begin. Click on add record. Scroll this down and find CNAME. Then in the host, we need to write www. In the value, we need to copy this one and click on add. So after we'll add this new records into your domain, then you need to go back to the Shopify and click I updated DNS records. And now we need to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, our DNS records are updated. Now we need to wait a few minutes to a few hours and our domain will be connected to the Shopify store. Now I will wait. It's showing me that estimate time is 5 minutes. So I will wait a few minutes and I'll show you the result. As you can see, in just few minutes our domain is successfully connected to the Shopify store. Now we can copy our domain, open the browser and paste it right here. As you can see, guys, it's working. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.